Adam on his 25th birthday doing a muff dive here at the rugby club. No way. Could it really be?
There's
He's
no
here.
pressure.
Oh, no pressure at all. You can do it, baby. Come on, go for that dive. Oh yeah, he knows how to dive it. Come on, lick it up. There's whipped cream there still. Babe, there's still a bit of whipped cream.
I see that.
Lick it up. I ain't laughing.
But I am.
He is. Cole's definitely laughing. Lick up the whipped cream. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Come on. Show me how you do it.
And we're even close.
Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Giggity giggity. Come on, baby. You can do it. You can do it. Wrap your tongue around it, darling. No, just do a little licksy. Oh yeah.
Come on, man. That thing's only got 30 seconds.
30 seconds. We want to see the lick. The lick. The lickety, lickety, lickety. Come on, giggity, giggity. Oh yeah. Come on, I'm buying you whipped cream for Saturday.
Oh, you poor bastard.
This is looking good. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, give it to me. Come on.
Right there.
Babe, how drunk are you? Come on. Come on. You pretty drunk? Are you drunk enough to drink the rest of it? Lick it. Yeah. Oh, he goes in for the second dig. Digging it up, baby. You know you love it. Lick it up. Giggity, giggity.
It's a check for you this time, hey. Wait. You can't wait to show that to your parents.
No way, eh? Oh, is there something on my face?
Yeah.
No. Really? I don't believe you. Can you get me a napkin from over there, darling? Babe, it's going in. It's seeping into my makeup. Quick!